bodies.
Oh my god, look at this. How it's cute here. Look at this, mom, how you loving for kids. Look at this. Oh, it's amazing, guys. So guys, watch until last, you will be happy, your mind will be happy. It's an amazing video for you. If you love this video, you can share with your friends who love this video. Thank you for watching this video. Guys, how you like it? If you enjoyed from this video, if you love this video, you can like, comment, and share. If you are new in my channel, Purnima page, you can subscribe. You will get notification for next another funny bad video, guys. Make sure write in the comments which one clip your favorite, guys. I need your feedback. Which one pets in your home, guys? And you watch it from where? Thank you. If you want to watch more video, go on the playlist and check it now. See you soon another videos. Bye bye, take care and keep safe pets. Don't make any trouble.